Hi, this is Monica from Matrimonial Gurus. Hi, Gitanjali.
Hi.
So, what do you do?
I am a lawyer and I'm a mediator with Delhi government and Supreme Court of India. And I've been doing law practice since last 25 years and doing mediation since last 16 years now.
Wow,
Yeah.
amazing. So, tell me, Gitanjali, usually, अब बताना ये myth है या क्या है? Indian matrimony में everybody feels that lawyer girl नहीं होनी चाहिए या boys नहीं होनी चाहिए. They're very dominating. Marriage material तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. And they get scared even from the boys. नहीं, law firm नहीं. So, what do you think?
See, आपने जो पूछा है वो actually fact है because I think 22 or 23 years back, even I have gone through all that.
Okay.
Because when I did law, and then only my parents wanted to get me married.
So, was it easy for them?
No,
point
it was not easy because first of all, as it was supposed to be an arranged marriage, so everybody had this fear. Oh, वकील है? Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक
You know, that was always a pause, you know, कि वकील है तो आगे चल के, you know, we'll be in trouble and all. So always that used to be the factor.
So, what a lawyer means trouble. ये association.
Yeah, this was majorly a thought process of a lot of people during that time in 2003. I don't know whether it has changed now.
No, it
but
has not changed. It has not changed.
So-
10-20% कम हुआगा. आज भी lawyer girls या boys, they're like.
Achha, you are in
Nahin.
matrimonial, so
Yes,
you know,
of
you know what
course,
is the
of
scenario
course.
these days.
The scenario, I think the perception is still the same, and that's the reason I'm here to ask you, why is that perception? How do we remove that?
See, first of all, it's not that कि अगर वो lawyer है तो वो इंसान नहीं है. You know, first of all, lawyer is a profession. You know,
Yes.
being in law and doing advocacy is a profession, but inherent nature of a person is always its own. You know,
True.
you can't say कि अगर वो lawyer है तो उसकी nature अलग है और अगर वो IT में है और an artist, so that person will have a very humble and a very kind and a very, you know, mellow down nature. Nature is nature, you know, it can be based on whatever. So while we are studying law, we are not taught to be harsh, we are not taught to be, you know, dominant, or we are not taught to be bad. We are aware of our laws, but it's not that we are going to use those laws, you know, against us, or probably in the families where, you know, female lawyers are going to get married to. It's not that they are going to utilize those expertise in their own house.
Yeah.
Courts are there. अगर उनको अपना profession में दिखाना है कि how good they are into, you know, their matrimonial laws as per se, so they can show it that in the court via their own place. So that's actually a myth. I've been married to a lawyer